morning, everybody. I'm coming at you guys with a little... Today is just a really exciting day for me. It is a momentous occasion, actually. My friend's moving here. My dear friend Sam, she's been in a few vlogs. She's been around, but she gets in today. I'm just straightening up, making sure this little house is ready for our new roommate. And yeah, I'm just so excited to see a familiar face. We just get along so well, and I think we respect each other's space, but we like to hang out. So I imagine this being a really good thing. I'm so happy. There's one other important thing about today that I need to take care of before we go adventuring. So let's do that really quick. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Wow, is that a new car? Do you like your present?
Yeah.
How old are you? How many? How old are you, TJ? He just hung up on me. TJ turns 3 today. Also, today being July 1st, and yes, this video won't be posted for quite a while, but today's July 1st, and today's also Canada Day, so I thought I would take this opportunity and announce that I am going to the Canada Fruit Festival in August in British Columbia. So if you guys are going to the Fruit Festival, let me know. I'm so excited to do some traveling. I've been in Hawaii for 7 months now, but I'm just excited to see Canada because I love Canada. So, okay, this intro is all over the place. Let's get this day started. I'll see you guys in a little while.
All I do is adore you all of the time. I like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, I'd like to love you, if I may. I'd like to love you, I'd like to love you, I'd like to love you night and day, if I may.
Okay, have a seat.
I'd like to love you every day.
Alright, so this is our picnic. Okay, so this is, I know you don't like coconut water, but this is the coconut water that changed my life.
Okay.
Why Coco, my favorite coconut water. Cheers.
Oh my god.
Doesn't it taste not like coconut water?
Yeah.
But it's like 100% pure coconut water. And then I got us some Californian canned champagne to celebrate, but we can put it in the cooler for now. Okay. I also brought some bell peppers and my green goddess dressing. These are bananas from the farm. This is a macadamia nut brownie from my favorite vegan cafe.
I'm allergic to nuts.
You are?
No.
Oh my god, that wasn't funny. And then my favorite is lychee.
What is it?
Lychee or leche, it depends on where you're from.
I feel like I've heard of that
You
before.
want to know how to eat it?
Yeah.
So you can like peel it with your fingers, but I just bite it. Like that.
Oh, weird.
So like,
oh, weird.
well, you're just breaking the skin.
Oh, don't eat it. Okay.
Yeah.
Ooh.
And then you peel
So
it.
juicy.
And there's a pit inside, so just don't eat the pit. What do you think?
I'm not sure.
Okay.
Like, I like the taste of it. The texture is just weird.
It's dry.
I like it.
Et sèche-moi ces larmes de crocodile.
We saw sea turtles! Yay!
They're so cute.
They're so cute. They're big eyes.
Oh my god, they look so sleepy.
Shut up! Happy first day in Hawaii! Uh-huh. This is my side of the bed, by the way. It is! Okay.